Welcome to stage one of your mindfulness journey, a gentle beginning for curious hearts. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Hello and welcome to stage one of your mindfulness journey with TranquiLush Meditation, where we help you find peace in life's rush. This is the beginning of a 5-stage mindfulness series designed to gently guide you from curiosity to confidence in your meditation practice. Stage 1 is called the Curious Beginner. It's made for those who are just starting out or starting over. Maybe you've heard about mindfulness and wondered what it's all about. Maybe you've tried it a few times but struggled to stick with it. That's perfectly okay. In this stage, we'll keep it simple. You'll learn to pay attention to your breath, your body, and your thoughts without changing anything, fixing anything, or needing to be good at it. This is a place to explore with curiosity, not perfection. We recommend practicing this meditation once a day for 1 week, or longer if it feels good. Think of it as planting seeds of calm, kindness, and awareness. With time, they grow. Let's begin. Find a position that feels comfortable. You can sit on a chair, on a cushion, or lie down. Whatever allows you to feel supported and at ease. Let your hands rest wherever they naturally fall. There's nothing to hold, nothing to figure out. If you feel safe and comfortable, allow your eyes to gently close, or keep a soft gaze on a point in front of you. Let's begin by taking 3 slow, easy breaths together. Breathe in deeply and let it out with a sigh. Again, inhale slowly and release. One more deep breath in and a long, gentle exhale. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. There's no need to control it. Just notice it. Breathing in and breathing out. You are here, right here, and that is enough. Let's bring your attention to the body. Begin to feel the weight of your body resting, supported by the chair, the cushion, or the floor beneath you. Notice where your body makes contact with the ground or surface. Let yourself be fully supported. Now slowly begin to scan through your body. Start at the top of your head. Bring gentle awareness to your forehead, your eyebrows, your temples. Can you soften just a little? Let that softness move down to your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Allow your tongue to rest easily. Notice your neck and shoulders. Can you release any tension you might be holding here? Maybe just 5% more ease. That's enough. Continue moving through your arms, your hands, your chest, and belly. If there's tension, just notice it. You don't need to make it go away. Just be with it. Like you would with a friend who needs you to simply sit beside them. Now, gently shift your attention back to your breath. You don't have to do anything to it. Just notice the sensations of breathing. Feel the air moving in through your nose or mouth, and out again. Feel your chest rise and fall. Maybe you feel the breath deeper in your belly. Let your breath be your anchor. If your mind has already wandered, that's okay. That's what minds do. You haven't failed. You haven't messed up. Just notice where your attention went. Maybe a thought, a memory, a sound, and kindly guide it back to your breath. Like guiding a little puppy back to the path. No judgment. No rush. Just return. Breath in. Breath out. Now, let's open the field of awareness a little more. Begin to notice sounds around you. Noticing without naming. Just letting the sounds arrive and pass. No need to push anything away. Let it all be part of the moment. Notice how sounds come and go, just like thoughts. Now, turn inward again. Notice how you feel in this moment. Noticing without needing to label. Just sensing. There's no right or wrong. Just noticing. Let's return to the breath again. Always here. Always ready to guide you back home. Breathing in. Breathing out. If thoughts or feelings arise, just make space for them. You don't need to push anything away. You also don't need to follow every thought that comes. You can choose to come back again and again to the breath, to the body, to now. Let's rest in this gentle awareness for a little while longer. Simply being, breathing, allowing everything to be just as it is. And now, begin to come back to your body. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the chair or cushion beneath you. Notice your hands, the air on your skin. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. Roll your shoulders. And slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. You've just completed stage 1 of your mindfulness practice. You took time for stillness. You noticed. You returned. And that is more than enough. Keep practicing this meditation once a day this week. Each time, you may notice something new. Each time, you're strengthening a beautiful connection with yourself and the present moment. You're off to a great start. If this meditation helped you, subscribe for more and share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, may you carry this gentle awareness with you into your day, into your life, into the rush, with peace.